Hormones play a fundamental and intricate role in regulating a myriad of bodily functions, and among these, estrogen emerges as one of the pivotal hormones, particularly accentuating its significance in females. Its multifaceted responsibilities encompass the development of secondary sexual characteristics, meticulous regulation of the menstrual cycle, and the maintenance of optimal bone health. Nevertheless, as with many physiological processes, the essence lies in equilibrium. Perturbing this equilibrium by allowing estrogen levels to surge into excessiveness can precipitate a diverse spectrum of health issues. In this video, we will delve into the alarming signs that might indicate your body is producing too much estrogen. Irregular menstrual cycles. One of the primary indicators of high estrogen levels is irregular menstrual cycles. If your period suddenly becomes shorter, longer, heavier, or more frequent than usual, it could be a sign of hormonal imbalance. Estrogen dominance can disrupt the delicate balance between estrogen and progesterone, affecting the normal rhythm of your menstrual cycle. Mood swings and emotional distress. Estrogen doesn't just influence physical changes, it also impacts mood and emotions. Excessive estrogen levels have been linked to mood swings, irritability, anxiety, and even depression. Fluctuating hormones can disrupt neurotransmitter levels in the brain, leading to sudden shifts in mood and emotional well-being. Breast changes. Noticeable changes in breast tissue might be an indication of high estrogen levels. These changes could manifest as breast tenderness, enlargement, or even fibrocystic lumps. Estrogen dominance can stimulate the growth of breast tissue, causing discomfort and potentially increasing the risk of breast-related issues. Unexplained weight gain. Unexplained weight gain, particularly around the hips, thighs, and abdomen, can be attributed to excessive estrogen. High estrogen levels can lead to an increase in fat storage in these areas, contributing to difficulties in weight management and changes in body composition. Reduced libido. Sexual health can also be affected by imbalanced estrogen levels. Too much estrogen might lead to a decreased libido, vaginal dryness, and even pain during intercourse. Hormonal disruptions can influence both physical and psychological aspects of sexual desire and satisfaction. Fatigue and low energy. Feeling chronically tired and experiencing low energy levels could be a result of hormonal imbalances, including excessive estrogen. Hormones play a vital role in regulating energy production and metabolism, so when these systems are disrupted, fatigue can set in, impacting daily activities. Digestive issues. Estrogen dominance can impact gut health, potentially leading to digestive problems such as bloating, constipation, or diarrhea. Hormonal fluctuations might affect gut motility and microbial balance, contributing to gastrointestinal discomfort and irregularities. Hair and skin changes. Changes in hair and skin quality could also signal high estrogen levels. Thinning hair, increased facial hair growth, and skin issues like acne or overly sensitive skin might all be linked to hormonal imbalances, including elevated estrogen levels affecting hair follicles and skin glands. Insomnia. Sleep disturbances, particularly insomnia or difficulty falling asleep, can be linked to hormonal fluctuations, including those involving estrogen. Hormones play a role in regulating sleep patterns, and disruptions can lead to difficulties in getting a restful night's sleep, impacting overall health and well-being. Headaches and migraines. High estrogen levels can trigger headaches and migraines in some individuals. Fluctuating estrogen levels, especially during the menstrual cycle, can influence blood vessel constriction and dilation, potentially leading to severe headaches and migraines that hinder daily functioning. Changes in body temperature. Excessive estrogen levels might lead to sudden changes in body temperature regulation. You might experience hot flashes or night sweats, which are common symptoms of hormonal imbalance. These sudden shifts in temperature can be uncomfortable and disrupt sleep patterns. Joint pain and muscle aches. Elevated estrogen levels can sometimes lead to joint pain and muscle aches. Estrogen is known to have an impact on inflammation and joint health, and when levels are imbalanced, it can contribute to discomfort, stiffness, and reduced flexibility. While estrogen is a vital hormone, an excess of it can lead to a range of concerning health issues. Recognizing these alarming signs of high estrogen production can be a crucial step in identifying and addressing hormonal imbalances.